We bought 3 two-stroke Kawasaki KX80 dirt bikes in boxes for $1,000. And in the last episode of Cars and Cameras, we got one of them running and riding, and we experienced the two-stroke power band on dirt bikes for the first time. None of us have much two-stroke experience on dirt bikes, so in today's episode of Cars and Cameras, we're going to be stretching the legs on the KX80 two-stroke dirt bike, doing some jumps, doing some hot laps, and some general sending. Now, in a few weeks, we're going to be swapping one of these insanely powerful 80cc engines onto either a Honda Trail 70 or a Harley Davidson, and we want you all to help us decide. But there's going to be more information on that at the end of the episode. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the most powerful 80cc we've ever experienced. All right, so the guys did a great job putting a new muffler on and making... Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
What?
That's pretty hilarious. The guys did a great job on the bike, and I know this is a dirt bike for 12-year-olds, but I'm a little intimidated, judging by what Ike did the other day with that power band kicking in.
Oh man, it was like this.
Yeah, so I'm looking forward to checking it out. I'm just gonna do what I'm comfortable with, maybe do a jump or two, something like that. Then we're gonna let Ike on it, and we're gonna get some Grand Prix lap times. Let's see what it'll do. I just realized this is my first time, okay, probably second time ever on a two-stroke dirt bike. First was Ike's Trials bike from the 70s. A little intimidated.
All right, let me get that idle when you get it running.
Oh boy.
Short. Got to give it throttle.
Oh! That's cool. Don't front brake. This is awesome. This is cool. Dude, if that's too loud, you're too old. Front brake.
Oh, I cut it off.
What happened?
It looked like a coolant leak for a second,
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah.
No, it's good to double check things.
Yeah.
Oh, it's from the fender, we're good.
Okay.
So after that 2-minute ride, I totally get it, dude. This thing is awesome.
It's pretty awesome.
It's really comfortable. It's got, like, I don't know how it has so much power for an 80 or an 85. I'm gonna keep going.
Okay.
This, not having a front brake is so sketchy.
Yeah, we really need a front brake.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's pretty awesome. It looks impressive.
It looks killer. Am I shooting any dirt or not really?
A little bit.
Thanks, Charles. I like your answer.
So other than that, it feels pretty good.
Oh yeah, it feels great.
Is it idling like it?
I think so.
Okay.
I don't know, let's find out.
Yeah. Short kick. With gas.
Yeah. It idles.
That's all the way screwed in. I can't screw it in anymore.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy moly.
front brake.
We really need some front
I would be
brake.
so like I'm doing 50 miles an hour back there.
That is definitely a coolant leak.
Oh boy.
Oh, that's fuel. Cut off the fuel.
Okay.
The carburetor, the float sticks, you know, we didn't have any brake clean.
Oh, okay. Well,
So I cleaned everything with
PB Blaster.
PB Blaster,
Okay,
and
well.
PB Blaster's not a good cleaner.
Well, we got carb cleaner now, so.
Yeah. So,
While we figure out a front brake, I'll probably mess with the carburetor.
all right.
If that'll work. Okay.
It's fine by me.
I like dirt bikes.
This is
They're
wild.
Yeah, they're a little intimidating, aren't they?
I mean, yes and no. It's intimidating. It has a ton of power, but it also rides pretty good.
Awesome.
It's a little bouncy, but there's just suspension travel for days.
Well, I mean, you know,
I get it, man.
You're allowed. That suspension can pretty much let you go about 8 feet in the air,
Yeah.
as long as you don't land on flat.
So John is going to go take this thing out for one more rip. We just installed a brand new master cylinder from GoPowersports.com.
Yeah, the brake feel is amazing. Every time we've ever used one of these on a mini bike and now on a dirt bike, the brake feel is killer. Feels like a premium item, and I feel so much better.
It
with
looks
the
like
front brake.
it looks like it belongs on there.
And it bolted right up. So if you're looking for brake parts or anything for your mini bike or go-kart, GoPowersports.com. Visit links in the description. Make sure you tell them Cars and Cameras send you at checkout. I'm ready.
All right, dude.
Here we go.
Make sure you turn on fuel.
Oh yeah, fuel. The carburetor rebuild didn't. Well,
Yeah, it'll be all right.
it'll be fine.
So he's getting the feel of it right now. I predict he'll be clearing this road about the 4th try.
Whew. Yeah, alright. Well, jumping 2 wheels in for me is a little scary. The commitment
Hey.
level's too high for me.
That's okay.
Yeah.
We understand.
We understand. Let me show you how it's done, son.
I'm not a big jumper either. So I tried getting a good shot of you
Oh, well, it
from this view.
probably looked like
oh yeah,
that,
you were
yeah.
doing that a little bit, but you know, it looked good. Looked good.
Yeah. This is addicting. You know, I've heard 2-stroke people describe the experience as addicting, and it for sure is just this. I like it a little too much.
It's pretty fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
So that's cool, dude.
I think, dude, it might be time for a hot lap. What do you think?
I think it's time for someone else to ride. I need a breather. Who's up?
I would be glad to show everybody how to jump it, or at least try to, but we have a trip planned up at the end of this week, and I really don't want to hurt myself. We got a lot riding on that, so I'll jump it after we get back. Sounds good?
I think you're the smartest out of all three.
So I guess that just leaves me.
like a third base coach. Cheering on.
Dude, there's so much shock movement.
Yeah,
It's like you're on a cloud.
yeah, it rides awesome. What do you think of it?
I'll be honest. I don't like it's scary. I'm not used to the shock movement. It feels like I'm falling off constantly when I'm not even off.
Yeah.
It's just like boom. And did I dump the bike? Did I dump the bike?
Man, it could be our shocks being blown out.
I think they're blown slam out.
Dude, I think it might be, don't take this the wrong way,
Yeah.
but we all three might be overweight for this thing.
I'm definitely overweight for this. I can feel it. I'm way overweight.
That's a good
I think
point.
somebody around 120 pounds
yeah.
or less is about right for this bike.
I also found out that it doesn't like to shift without the clutch.
Yeah.
I thought I might be able to
Power shift it.
power shift it with no clutch. No, sir. You got to use the clutch.
What'd you learn?
Use the clutch?
Okay.
Okay. So, pretty awesome.
It's fast, isn't it?
It's pretty fast.
It is so fast.
I like it.
It might be up there on the top of the board.
You want to find out?
Sure.
Okay. On your mark. Get set. Go. I'm curious what gear he's starting off in.
I hope it's first.
Yeah, because if it's second, that makes sense why it might be bogging. But I mean, I don't know. I know first gear is pretty short on those things, so I don't know. Might have to do some tuning. I know that carburetor's still not quite right.
You know, it's weird. You got to stay in that power band.
Yeah.
So I can't ride it like a regular bike because it's got no torque. Like, you got to be in that power band. And so the last one I was trying to keep in the power band, but it's so narrow.
Yep. You're
You
always
have-
shifting.
You have got to know where the power band's at, and this is something you're gonna have to learn with the bike. So it's pretty awesome. I can see
Why people love these.
I can see this bike being the fastest on the leaderboard if you learn
Like, fastest period?
the fastest period. If you learn the power band.
Whoa.
Yeah. I mean, am I wrong?
I don't know.
Was I close?
Do you feel confident about that lap time?
This last one?
Yeah.
I can do better,
Okay.
but I feel good about it.
All right, so I'm gonna hop on and just do as comfortable as I feel on the hot lap, and we're gonna go in and reveal our lap times.
He's gonna beat me. He's
Getting after it.
yeah.
I can hear it. That. results bolts are in.
Joe,
Thank you,
Your
sir.
time?
Thank you, sir.
Hey, you're giving me my own time.
Yeah. All right, so I ran on the KX80 106.10. Oh, oh, oh,
You came
oh,
in at number 16.
no.
Okay. So, on that note, Isaac, or Ike, ran on the KX80, ran a 1:03:42.
That's pretty quick. So you're in
Okay.
13th place.
I'm slower than the limo cart.
Yeah.
Hopefully that's
Watch
what's the
the oil
turbo.
bucket back there.
Yeah.
And if we knew how to ride this bike, I'm sure we'd be,
Oh, I'm for sure we'd be up here
yeah.
with that bike.
So for comparison,
Yeah.
we're mini bike riders. You ran a 5910 on our Gambler 500 MB200, whereas on the dirt bike, first time ever really on a dirt bike,
First time ever on a KX80.
KX80 dirt bike.
Yeah, never been on one.
Okay, yeah, kind of down here. So if we were to practice, we'd be a lot faster.
So the lap time on the KX80 proved that it has the top end, but we just cannot wrestle that bike around the track fast enough to get it in the top 10, which is kind of surprising. It's a powerful bike. Anyway, earlier I mentioned that we're going to be swapping a KX80 engine onto either a Honda Trail 70 or a Harley Davidson, and we want you to help us decide. Well, we're starting the Cars and Cameras email newsletter. So it's completely free. You sign up on our website, cars-cameras.com. There will be a pop-up and it'll ask, want more cars and cameras? And you put in your email. And once every 2 weeks, we're going to be sending out the Cars and Cameras newsletter. We decided to start a newsletter because in the past, YouTube hasn't always sent out notifications for uploads. We want a platform that we can do fan features. We can put in polls like the one we're doing with the KX80, so we can get your feedback to give us direction on where to take some of these projects. We're also going to include some behind the scenes photos and blurbs as well. So the very first newsletter goes out this Thursday. So if you go sign up today, tomorrow, Wednesday, you'll be able to vote, and whichever one wins, we will be installing the KX80 engine into. I think the Harley Davidson would be awesome and hilarious. I think the Honda Trail 70 would also be just a riot as well. Now, the other thing I wanted to touch on is that there have been a ton of spam comments on YouTube recently, and there have been a lot in our videos. So if we ever do a giveaway or if we have an offer, you're going to hear about it right here or from our official Facebook page. Yeah, all these things in the comments that you're seeing, those are all scams. Don't sign up, don't reply, just report. We've been going through and manually reporting, but they just pop up so fast. Anyway, thank y'all for understanding. Don't forget to sign up for the newsletter, cars-cameras.com, the official newsletter. We will catch you next time.
Where's the nut?
Wait, is the bolt even long enough?
It's snapped.
No.
No,
No.
it
You
doesn't
sure?
look snapped, but